Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is, I think, rather simple. It's to listen to humor, something humorous, maybe guffaw, maybe witty. I prefer to do it listening rather than watching, watching TV or something. But I suppose that could work for our purposes. But I'd prefer to focus more of my attention on sort of where I am, especially as we're turning directions, doing a form and stuff, and the TV is likely to be in one direction only. So I kind of end up kind of doing single rip like this, I suppose. But at any rate, today's Tàijíquán tip. And speaking of tips, thank you for your tips. Your generosity is keeping this whole thing alive. This whole thing alive. Not just the school, not just the art here at the school, not just my career, but me. So thank you. Um, Listen to humor while you're doing your Tàijíquán, and note the before and the after, or is that right? Note the during and the after of the humor, and note your state of relaxation during laughter, and maybe your state of relaxation during, riotous laughter is more than a chuckle. Maybe it's less, maybe it's the same, I don't know. But note your state of relaxation during laughter, and also note your state of relaxation immediately after laughter. And if it is greater than that which you ordinarily recognize yourself to have during the practice of Tai Chi Chuan, perhaps you can relax more in your Tai Chi Chuan because now you know you can relax more, and perhaps it's kind of natural and unconscious. So maybe take a cue from some laughter um, when we think about relaxation in Tai Chi Chuan. Thank you. You know how many Tai Chi teachers it takes to screw in a light bulb? Just one. This one. But in our school, the way we do it is this way. Thanks.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.